Here, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. If you watch my videos, you know I did this one a couple days, and I've been doing this one a lot lately, but the chart really gives me no other choice when it keeps on making bullish moves like this. Like I said, I don't have any other options. It's a very popular chart, lots of volume, great price action, so it kind of backs me into a corner. So I know you may be getting annoyed by seeing this one, but hey, it is what it is. If the chart's going to give me reason to update it, then that's what I'll do. So what you see here are the lines from the previous time I did the video. The last one I did was on the weekly chart, and we'll hop back to the weekly, but I first want to just show kind of not necessarily patting myself on the back, but just to show the power of charts and how when you understand how to use them, they can be applied in a very effective manner. So these red lines you see here were resistance levels, and the main one I want to point out is this one up here at the $2 one. Again, if you want to go back, and don't believe me that these lines were here, like I said they were, just go back in the video archives. Like I said, 2 days ago I did one on the weekly chart. Pull that one up. And like I said, again, not patting myself on the back, but I pointed out this level as a resistance, and then look right there. That's exactly where the price got knocked down. So not a big shock, because again, when you understand charts, you figured, logically and looking at things from a probability standpoint, there was going to be some resistance here, and sure enough, that's exactly where there was some resistance that popped up. So, just the power of charts makes a great example. And on top of that, this still is a level of resistance. So $2 is new public enemy number one. The one update that does need to be made is this level here, because the price closed above it, is now a level of support. But I am going to change that to a skinny green line, because while it is a technical level of support, yes, if the price does fall below it, by no means does that mean it's the end of the road or anything like that. And another level of support I want to add in is simply right here, and we'll call this level at $1.60. So $1.60 will be another shorter term area of support. Now, if you're in this for the long haul, you're probably not going to care too much about these two support levels, but I'm trying to address as many trader demographics as I can. So even for the short-term people, these are two levels of support you want to keep your eye on. Now let's hop quickly to the weekly chart so we can figure out where the next levels of resistance are. We're going to have to scrunch things up. We'll go back to the daily. You can just see how. So we'll just do this here. So I'm going to zoom back in, but remember where this comes from. This comes from all the way back here from August of 2009. So let's zoom back in and go to the, it might not even show up on the daily. Okay, there it is. So the next level is going to be up here at right around the we'll just call it 213 area. That'll be the next area of resistance, and then after that, I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. I'll put it this way: with any closes above 213, I will be back to update the chart again in terms of future resistance levels. But for the time being, let's first make sure it can get some closes above $2, and then $2.13. Those are the two next areas of resistance. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, hopefully I demonstrated that today, how charting really does work, then I encourage you to click down here below, look at our video course, over 8.5 hours of education and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews. So I encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was FNMA. Thanks for listening.